All right, artists, I wanted to show you all the materials that come in the kit that I have ordered for you from Dick Blick. I had them ship me. Sometimes Dick Blick has your kits inside of a box. If they do, bravo. Keep that box. I found a tutorial for making a tabletop easel made out of cardboard, and I'm going to use this box to make the tabletop easel using cardboard. I'm a professional artist and I have easels at home, but I want to work with the same materials that you're using so that I know that I'm not assigning something that's beyond your capacity. So save that box. And if they don't have it for you in a box, ask them for a box when you go pick up your kit, unless you have them ship it to you. All right, so let's take a look at what comes in the kit. You get two canvas boards. These are 14 by 18, so they're a really nice size. And you're going to use these. One is for your midterm, the other one for another painting that you want to do, a personal painting. It can be a landscape, it can be a still life, it can be a pattern and decoration collage, or collage inspired painting. So we have two of these. And then for your portrait, you have an 18 by 24 stretched canvas. Let's see everything else that comes in here. All right. This is a great plastic portfolio carrier for all your materials, so you can keep your studio tidy and carry your paints back and forth if you don't have a spot to use. We have a canvas pad to use for some of the painting exercises. You have invisible glove to put on your hands. It's a protective coating so that you don't absorb any paint in your body. So I really highly recommend always that students use this. We have a sketch pad to use for our color exercises, our color mixing exercises. Instead of using our canvas paper, we're going to put it in our sketchbook. And this is where we're going to try out some of our color schemes before we actually apply them to our canvases. Because we're working with acrylics, it's very easy, it dries fast, and it's a great way to sketch. Speaking of sketching, we have Sargent's watercolor crayons, and I highly recommend we use these to sketch on our canvas instead of pencil, because it won't make our paints muddy. I want to talk to you about paints. I'm going to show you what my acrylics normally look like. So this is the size tube that I usually buy, and this is the size tube that comes with your kits. The difference is that this is Studio Series, which is a student grade paint, and this is actually the cheapest acrylic paint I could find, other than Basics, which is awful. I mean, the thing about Basics is that it's basic, it's very cheap, and it's really great for middle school and elementary school kids, or even high school kids, but it is not good. Or in the Dick Blick paint, I think is right there with Basics, so I don't recommend it. This is a student grade, and this tube costs less than this tube, which is the kind that I use. I use the Artist Color, which is considerably more expensive. And I wanted to show you this because this is an expensive kit. It's, I think, $120. But again, it comes with Canvas paper, canvas boarding, canvas, stretch canvas, so you get an experience of painting on all 3 surfaces. You get brushes, you get palette knife, you get your slow dry medium. Oh, I see the glazing medium is missing. I have to tell him that's missing from this kit. You have ultramarine blue, cerulean blue, black, white, lemon yellow, medium yellow, yellow ochre, primary red, and cadmium red light. You get a full set of Taklon brushes. You get a palette knife, and you get a fan brush. So you also get retarder, and you should also have a glazing medium. It should have been in this kit, so I have to call him and let him know that he's missing that in the kits. But all of that has been put together for you. Again, if you go to the store and they don't give you your kit in a box, ask them for a box, because I found an online tutorial on how to make your own tabletop easel, and I'm going to try it out myself. The tutor, the demonstration uses a hot glue gun, but I know 90% of the people are not going to have a hot glue gun. So I'm going to do it with regular Elmer's glue, which everybody will have. And so you can see how to do it with Elmer's glue. All right.